Many a times we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for certain things in our dua, and when we don't see a result immediately, we begin to question, has Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepted my dua? Has Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala left me? Will He ever listen to me? Will He ever accept my du'as? Because the nature of the insan is that he wants to see quick results. She wants to see an immediate effect. He wants to see an immediate reaction. The insan, he hastens. And with our very small hikmah, with our small amount of wisdom, we cannot comprehend the wisdom and the hikmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because Allah the Almighty Jalla wa ala, He will take every single thing into consideration before He decides to give us this thing. He will look at everything. Past, present, future. Is this going to be beneficial in the long term or the short term? Because many times we see is something takes place and we question what happened, and then a few days, a few hours, maybe a month later, we then submit ourselves to the wisdom and the hikmah to Allah, the hikmah of the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we accept what happened was the best. So guys, next time you make dua and you have noticed that you have not received an answer, it feels as though your dua has not been accepted, understand Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is just holding on to this thing because He wants to give it to you when it's the right time. So never rush. Hold patience, be patient, and accept the wisdom and the hikmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, if you've benefited by our video today, then why not subscribe to our YouTube channel? And you can do this very easy by hitting the subscribe button right here. And if you've not watched our last video, very simple and easy, you can watch it right here, guys. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.